everyone. My name is Sarah Kane, and I'm the Sustainability Program Supervisor for Sarasota County. And I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about what we do with the Sustainability Program. Sarasota County Sustainability is part of the IFAS Extension and Sustainability Office. We are one of the departments at Sarasota County. First of all, I'd like to just start off with, what does sustainability mean? You might have heard of it before, but sustainability, as we define it, means satisfying our present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. A good way to remember it is people, planet, prosperity. We want to ensure we have a sustainable economy, society, and environment in our community. Our Office of Sustainability was created in 2002, which is very innovative at the time to have a local government sustainability office. In 2006, we created action plans and goals and our roadmap to sustainability. In 2008, we were certified as a Gold Green Local Government by the Florida Green Building Coalition. And in 2015, we were recertified, and at the time, the highest county in Florida. And in 2020, we received a Soul Smart Silver Award. Since the Sustainability Office was created, there have been many policies and goals put in place by administration and our commission. We have a Green Building Resolution, a 2030 Challenge Resolution, an Energy Management Action Plan, and a Community Energy Use and Greenhouse Gas Emissions Resolution. Most of these resolutions are to reduce the energy and water usage in our buildings and in the community, therefore reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving air quality. We also have policies in our comprehensive plan for energy efficiency, renewable energy, and sea level rise planning. So I'd like to highlight a few of our accomplishments that are very exciting. Since 2010, we have received about $7 million in grant funding to complete community energy and water efficiency projects. And we've actually have more solar, energy equity, and resiliency projects currently proposed for grant funding. Also, we have an energy performance contract to reduce energy use in our county buildings. It's estimated to save over 1.4 million kilowatt hours in energy and 7.5 million gallons of water. Also, our new district cooling plant will save over 1 million kilowatt hours. We have solar at 3 of our county buildings. We also have 15 US GBC, that's the US Green Building Council, LEED certified green buildings. We have 1 Green Globe certification, and we have many more in progress. We also have 30 electric vehicle charging ports and 18 locations, and we have electric vehicles in our fleet. And all of these charging stations are free and open to the public to use. Now I'd like to highlight a few of our sustainability projects. We do resiliency planning and look at sea level rise scenarios in the county. We joined the Tampa Bay Regional Resiliency Coalition in September of 2020, and we recently completed a sea level rise vulnerability assessment report. We also have energy conservation teams, which consist of all the different departments in the county. We get together and we look at our energy and water and fuel use at our buildings and through our fleet, and we talk about how we can reduce the energy and fuel use. We also have a Green Champion course series for our employees to learn more about sustainability at work. And we encourage sustainable transportation through our electric vehicles in our fleet and our electric vehicle charge-up rebate program that's available to businesses, nonprofits, and other city governments in Sarasota County. It's a rebate that gives money to those organizations to install electric vehicle charging stations. We have a huge focus on energy and water efficiency within our programming. We have our energy upgrade program, which gives devices and educational material to underserved community members to help them save water and energy in their homes. We also have an Energy Coach volunteer program that helps us distribute these materials and educational programs. We also have a Partners for Green Places program where we have worked with nonprofit organizations to give them energy audits and then also give them funding to do energy and water upgrades in their buildings. They're able to save money on their utilities through this program and put that money back into their programming to help underserved community members and environmental groups. We have our annual Sustainable Communities Workshop that you're a part of today that we put on for you every single year. We also have many different sustainability classes and events. We have a green living class, solar technologies, green building, age-friendly electric vehicles, financing, and drawdown. If you ever have any other ideas for sustainability classes, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to give a presentation to your group. We also like to support businesses. We support the Green Business Partnership of Sarasota County, which allows a certification for businesses to become more sustainable. We also are a part of a Sustainable Economic Development Group, and we have free library kits that you can check out at any Sarasota County library. We have the Family Green Living Kit and Do-It-Yourself Energy and Water Audit Kit. We also have e-newsletters and blogs and social media. Make sure to follow us. We also try to encourage waste reduction through our strategic planning efforts and our sustainable events guide. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, please feel free to contact any of us in sustainability. Lee Hayes Byron is the director of our department. I'm Sarah Kane, I'm the Sustainability Program Supervisor, and Aaliyah Garrett is our Sustainability Outreach Coordinator. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We'd like to encourage everyone to get involved with us. We have our annual Sustainable Communities Workshop where there's always volunteer opportunities. We also have our Energy Coach training program, our sustainability classes on Eventbrite page. We have blogs, our website at scgov.net/sustainability. Please stay connected to us. If you'd like to contact us, please contact us at sustainablesarasota@scgov.net or follow us on any of our social media channels. We always post all of our events and classes on our Facebook page. Thank you.